Now let's talk about machine reasoning. Part 2 on human learning versus machine learning. Machine reasoning is how AI systems make predictions or decisions. AI does not think like a human. Instead, it uses statistical pattern recognition. Let me break this down. First, AI looks for patterns in data. For example, an AI system may be trained on thousands of chest x-rays. It learns that certain pixel patterns are often labeled as heart failure. When it sees a new x-ray, it compares patterns and outputs a probability. That's it. The important thing to understand is this: AI does not understand physiology. It does not know why fluid collects in the lungs. It only knows that certain images are statistically linked to certain labels. Second, AI depends completely on its training data. If the data is biased, limited, or unrepresentative, the AI will be too. For example, if an AI is trained mostly on data from one demographic group, it may perform poorly on patients from underrepresented populations. If it has never seen a rare disease or an unusual presentation, it may fail. Third, AI has no context. It does not know whether the patient stopped taking medication, whether they can afford treatment, or whether they live alone. A chest x-ray is just pixels. Lab values are just numbers. There is no patient story. Fourth, AI often cannot explain its reasoning. It might say, there is a 92% probability of heart failure, but it cannot tell you why. It cannot explain which specific features led to this conclusion or walk you through a causal pathway the way a physician can. This is what we call the black box problem. Finally, AI is consistent but inflexible. It gives the same output for the same input every time. That's useful, but it struggles with unexpected situations, artifacts, or novel cases. Now, let's see what happens when we apply AI to our same 67-year-old patient with shortness of breath. The chest x-ray is uploaded. The AI detects patterns associated with heart failure and gives a probability score. That's all it does. It does not adjust treatment based on the patient's medication adherence. It does not talk to the patient. It does not take responsibility. Both the doctor and the AI may reach the same diagnosis, but only the doctor understands the full picture. This brings us to an important point. AI excels at pattern detection in large data sets, screening and triage, repetitive tasks, and working continuously without fatigue. Humans are essential for understanding context and causation, navigating uncertainty, making ethical decisions, communicating with patients, and taking responsibility for outcomes. The future of medicine is not doctors versus AI. It is doctors working with AI. Think of AI as a powerful assistant. It helps you see things faster and more accurately, but you remain the decision maker. You remain accountable. Understanding how AI thinks and how it doesn't will make you a safer, better physician. AI will be part of your career, but the human connection between doctor and patient will always remain at the center of medicine. Thank you. In our next session, we'll explore natural language processing and how AI can read and analyze clinical notes.